Thank you so much, guys. Good morning and very big good evening from Marmaris. Yeah, please welcome back to another episode of my channel. Watching this channel for the first time, never met me, I'm Boss KIRK, who travels around the world to lots of interesting places to encourage tourists to travel. And yes, guys, today I am here on the beach here in Marmaris Square, guys. And today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of the beach and also a bit of the strip as well, guys. So that's the beach just on my left hand side. So what I'm going to do now, guys, and DMAC 4K, check out his channel, guys. That's important. I'm going to put his link down into the description. So thank you so much, guys. And yes, what we're going to do right now, we're going to get into this video. And what I'm going to do now, guys, I've already tell you that we are ready at the square of Marmaris. So square is Marmaris Square Beach. So that's what it is right now. And the strip is also the same name. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just leave it and let you guys just watch this video and enjoy it, guys. If you like the video like this, just let me know and drop your comments. So let us start and let us continue. I really hope you guys are still enjoying Marmaris Square Beach and also the strip. Really hope you guys are enjoying it. I know you guys have already seen a lot of beautiful things, so I don't want to talk a lot in this video. I just want you guys to keep watching this video and enjoying it, guys. Keep enjoying, just enjoy this video. So let us continue in this video. In real life.
Yo, I think it's actually a good one. Şimdi otobanda onlardan fazla yağla gidiyorlar.
Yasin anne bizim hep zaman arada tamam anne kafanı çek. Ya baksana.
İnşaat yapılırken bu binanın yanlarına yıktılar. İnsanlar da 3 ay kaldı burada.
Yes, Mr. Loba, Loba, Loba.
Hey, yes, brother, how are you?
Mr. Loba, Loba.
Yes. Giving the restaurant a promote.
Yes.
Yes, buddy, promotion for your restaurant.
How many followers?
1 million.
1 million?
Yeah.
Really? I'll go and get to front again. Come.
Yeah.
Come. It's fun. Make it.
Okay, the name is
Share your name.
And upstairs as well. So yes, you got toilet. Yes, you got, yes guys, you got toilet up here. So if you guys come here and you want to have a dump, you know where the toilet is, guys. It's up here, where you drop your bum bum. Yes, if it's number 1, you know what to do. Number 2, you know what to do. Yeah. Hot, eh? Yeah. It's hot, man.
Now go too close and
Yeah. Please don't get the top view as well. Yeah.
Okay.
And we have 5 different chefs in the kitchen, one making pasta pizza, the other one looking after the barbecue.
Uh-huh.
And 100% guarantee it will be one of your best meal on holiday.
Okay.
Only come with rice, chips, salad, vegetable. Also you can ask for mashed potato or anything else, it doesn't cost to you.
Okay.
And what we say, you can check up us on TripAdvisor. We have 5-star, good recommends, free Wi-Fi on the place. Sharing on YouTube or something?
It's a YouTube.
What's good?
Yeah. It's YouTube, buddy.
Would you like to have a break? Huh? Would you like to have a break?